14 inches from the edge. Then on my mark, and I want the edge here, I want it flush with the hinge. So I take my punch and mark. And mark here, center of that hole. Now if you do this, be careful not to put your screws into the glass. Now I got lots of room. My glass is only in there 3/4 of an inch, so I got 2 inches of area there that I can screw into without damaging my glass. There. Okay, now let's center the door, or the window. Should be 1/2 inch on either side. That's 3/8. I'll just pop it that way a bit. There, 1/2 inch right on. Now let's set the door back into place. There. There. Let's check. 1/2 inch. Center. Center. There. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.